What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Hello. So I am doing a PR unboxing for you guys, and I did get PR packaging from Lash Cafe. They have really super affordable lashes. I'm looking through like their Instagram, and plus I'm going through like their website. They have really cute lashes, so I'm very grateful that I'm going to be working with them. So I'm going to show you guys the package that I did receive, and let's get ready to open this up because I'm so ready to show you guys the lashes. They're so cute. So I'm going to like try them all. It's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a lot of lashes. So the lash that I got is this packaging right here. It comes with like 4 of them, and I'm gonna have to open this up. So this is the first package. Then I got these ones, the Lash Cafe Luxury Lashes. I wonder if it has like the name on here. Maybe if I open the box. Oh yeah, Nova. Look how dramatic these are. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is another dramatic lash. Oh, okay, there we go. I think that's the angle that I have to show you guys. Another dramatic lash. I'm gonna show you the first one because I don't think y'all were able to see it. So this is Nova. Very cute, very cute. We got Nova, Cosmic. Oh, we also got Elegance. This is gonna be my favorite one for sure. Look at this. That is cute. There's Elegance. Oh, we got 2 more. We got Candy. And then last but not least, we got Envious, which is this one. Okay, so let me open these ones first, and then last I'm going to open the pack that came in with 4. So this is going to be like a try on eyelash video. Alright, so which one should we start off with? I'm going to start with the most dramatic one, which is the Nova. So this is so good. I got the double chocolate chip, and it's a bomb. What are your guys' favorite Starbucks drinks? Because I want to try something different. So let me know down below. These are so cute. Look at that. Now, should I just try them on both eyes? Should I just try it on one? I think I'm just going to try it on one, probably. Or maybe both. Should we try it on both? Let's try it on... Okay, you know what? Let's try it on both eyes. I was planning to do one. Maybe if my eye does get irritated, I might just do one. Now, let me just... I'm going to have to take mine off. Like... It looks so funny. Yeah, dude, eyelashes make a huge difference. Like... Look at this. Okay. Now let me just measure these lashes real quick. Ooh, okay.
Oh my gosh. 1 eyelash done. I'm just struggling to put it on because my nails are super duper long.
Oh my goodness. These are big. These are so dramatic. My goodness. My. Oh, I'm struggling so much right now. I know I didn't cut much from the end, but you know what? I don't feel like cutting any more. My eyelids are starting to get a little bit irritated. Okay, so this is Nova. This is style Nova. So let me get closer. So what do we think? I mean, it's cute. I do feel like it's a little bit too dramatic for me. I wouldn't mind like wearing these like on Instagram, like if I'm just gonna be taking photos on there, I don't mind. But for, you know, if I'm gonna go out, probably not these ones. They're just a little bit too much, but these are cute though, not gonna lie, these are cute. Now let's take a look from the side because I like how it looks from the side. Like, I don't know if you guys captured that, but they feel nice. The lash band is not too thin, which I also like as well. But yeah, these are just a little bit too dramatic. I don't hate them, I don't love them, but I do like them. Okay, so what do we think? This is the style of Envious, and you know what? I like these ones. Let me zoom in. Is it focusing? There we go. So these are really cute. I like them. Yeah, I don't feel like it's too long, too short. I feel like this one is perfect for sure. I should have worn these today, but honestly, I wanted to make a video for you guys so I can show you what they look like. I didn't want to cheat. I don't want to cheat, you know, so. But yeah, these are cute. So style Envious. Now, what is the second one? I mean, the third one we're going to try. This is the second one. Let's get closer. I like how they look from afar. They look so cute. Like, I look so sweaty. Like, so this is not, I'm not using a luminous primer, but I am sweaty, so I look so shiny today. Oh my goodness, look at the difference. Lash, no lash. You guys, I think I'm just gonna do one eye because it's irritating me. So my eyelid is like getting red. It's a little swollen, so I might have to do just one eye, so I do apologize. What? Yeah, this is Cosmic. Oh my gosh, yeah. No, wait. Yes, it's Cosmic. I am so sorry. This is Cosmic. Very, very cute. I like it. My eye is turning a little bit red, so I'm trying not to think about it. So I had to switch from 2 eyeballs to 1, so I do apologize, but we got Cosmic. So let's go ahead and just keep trying the lashes on. So far, so good. I do like them. Now this is the style called Candy. I'm trying to like move a little bit so my camera can focus, but I would say this is similar to Cosmic. These are a little bit more darker and they are a little bit more fluffy. So these ones are called Elegance, and this is really cute. Very natural, like an everyday wear. It's nothing too dramatic. Last but not least, we do have these 4 lashes that we're going to try out. I'm starting to like the ones right here. I think they're called Fierce. So alrighty, let's go ahead and just finish this video up. My eyelids are freaking irritated right now, like so bad. These are the lashes called Stuntin. My goodness, I suck at this. Stuntin. These are so adorable. I like them. I like how it has like the space in between these two. It's not too dramatic, it's not too natural. This style is called Fierce. A little bit more on the natural side, but not too bad. I just like the fact that these lash bands are thick and it looks like I'm wearing eyeliner, you know? That's what I like about these type of bands. I like the name though, Fierce. It kind of reminds me of like the, what's that one movie called, like A Boss? Where Salma Hayek is like, you have to be fierce. Fierced. Lash Cafe, you should definitely name an eyelash called Fierced. I'm just saying. Now this is a style called Nasty. N-A-S-T-I-E-E. Nasty. I like the end right here. How it's like natural and then it's like a little bit more volume in the end. That's really cute. I like these ones. It's not too bad, not too natural. It's not too natural for me because I'm not a natural type like eyelash person, but this one I feel like it's perfect. Last but not least, I got Lola on. Oh, that was my bad. These are definitely more on the natural side. Like, I think if I want to like darken them up a little bit, I can just add a little bit of mascara. I don't like adding mascara on my falsies because I know it ruins it. but maybe just a little bit with these ones, just a little tiny bit. Alrighty, so that is it for the PR unboxing. Guess what lashes I'm using right now? I am using Elegance. So let me get super close. I like how wispy they are. They're so nice. Let me zoom back out. So I do like the lashes. I like the lash band. They're really nice. It makes me look like I have eyeliner on when I don't, but I don't really like to use that much eyeliner, but when eyelashes do give you that liner effect, I don't mind. I like it. I would say that one of the lashes were a little bit too dramatic for me, and it's the first ones, I think. Yeah, it's Nova. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. It is called Nova. Those are a little bit too much for me, but definitely would like to use them in like my Instagram posts and stuff like that. Of course, I'm still gonna use them. They're cute, right? But the rest of them, they're nice, they're comfortable. I'm allergic to latex, so these ones did not give me any type of allergic reaction, but unfortunately my eyelids are still not doing okay. So it's not because of the lashes, it's because you know, I haven't gotten my eyelids treated, you know, so that's why it's a little bit red. So it has nothing to do with the lash band whatsoever. So yeah, anyways, I do have a discount code for you guys, and it is Bria. So you can definitely go check out lashcafe.com, or you can go on their Instagram. I will leave the link down below so you guys can go shopping. They're very like price affordable. It's definitely worth it. They're really cute. They're nice styles. But yeah, definitely use the discount code Bria at checkout so you guys can save some money. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.